Hey everybody, MAF GigEcon here, and as y'all see, I got me a Veho route. Now it's not the route that I wanted to do today, but it's bonus money. And what I mean by bonus money is Wednesday is usually one of the hardest days during the week to get a route. And I was fortunate on our way back from the country, working on the red brick house, that I was able to get me a route. Now, it's not the ideal route that I want to do because it's working near DC, but nonetheless, it's bonus money. Now, it's 62.73 is the payout, and it's 23 stops. Now, originally I had 27 stops, but 5 of the packages were missing, which is great. That means it's going to be more money per package, which I'm feeling good about that. I'm making less than $3 a package, but when you actually dissect the route, it's not a bad route. Off the top of my head, I know I got 8 packages spread over 3 apartments, complexes, or 3 apartment buildings, which is great. And that's 8 of the 23 packages. Now, when I put the information on GigWise, what I do is, if a package is going to the same address as another package, I count those 2 packages as one stop. If it's going to the same apartment building, but different apartments, I count those as individual stops, even though it's really just one stop. So I'm at my first location. I'm going to deliver that because the first 3 stops are houses, which is great. They are houses. And then I'll catch up with y'all in a bit. This stop number 5, was actually pretty simple. I just punched in the numbers for the concierge desk. They let me in, and she told me to leave the package with her. I gave her the apartment number, took the necessary pictures, and I'm on my way to the 6th stop number 6. So not too bad for that one. The next one's just a single package, and I believe it'll be the same way. Some apartments will just allow you to leave it at the concierge desk, and they'll take the package for the customer to pick up. Some want you to deliver it at the apartment because it's food related. So it just all depends on the different apartments that you deliver to. Some of them are okay just leaving it with the leasing office. It all depends on the policies at that apartment complex. But this one was actually pretty good. So hopefully number 6 is the same way. I'm hoping that a lot of these apartments will allow me to leave it up front, because that would make it so much better delivering these packages as leaving it at the front desk. I have one that has 4 stops. And if I can just leave it at the front desk, that's even better, because it takes less time to leave at the desk, take my pictures, and go to the next one. So I'll catch up with y'all when I get my in a bit. Or today was actually pretty easy so far. Only got 5 more stops left, which isn't too bad. Now, I made a mistake, and my last 2 stops are 2 different stops. So, is really 2 packages for one stop and 3 packages for another stop, which brings my total to 20, not 19. So that's not really bad. And the reason why the 2 packages were counted for one stop was because they were delivered to the same area. Now, there were 2 different apartment numbers, but they were delivered to the same area in the building, in the package room. And then I had 3 for one stop, which was delivered to their package room. So it's like, hey, that's not bad. And a lot of the apartments I'm doing, you leave at the concierge desk. Now, the last one I did, I had to take it up to the apartment number because it was food. And some apartment complexes don't want you leaving food in the mail room or the package room. So yeah, I'm actually doing pretty good today. I should be done next 30 minutes to an hour. And then I can start doing the lunch rush and get orders going home. All I need, if I'm trying to get at least 100 today, is, say, $38, $37. That's easily attainable during the lunch rush. So I'll get up out of here, deliver the last 5, and we'll see what else we can get to today. But so far, on a day that I normally don't do deliveries on a Wednesday because I'm either out of town or I can't get a route, I'm actually doing good today. I mean, I know the Cowboys lost on Sunday, but it didn't ruin my week. I don't know about y'all. 4-2, I'm good with 4-2. It didn't ruin my week. I mean, so far I've been having a good week. And my man Dak's coming back this week against the Lions, a game that we should be able to win. I'm cool with it. I'm cool with it. So let me get out here, finish these 5 stops, and see what else we can get to today, and enjoy the rest of my day on this bonus Wednesday. Is what I'm call. So this wasn't too bad of a route. It originally had 27 packages, but 4 of the packages were missing or damaged. So I took it down to 33 packages. And 5 of the packages were spread over 2 stops, which means that this ended up only having 20 stops. Now, what helped with some of the stops that were at apartments, I could just leave it in the mailroom or at the concierge desk. 2 of them I had actually was able to walk it to the apartment because it was food. But the rest of them, leave at the concierge desk, good, sweet, done. And now I'm heading home. And I'm going to try to see if I can get any Uber Eats orders on the way home, since the area I'm working to that's close to DC is actually busy. Now, I don't want to stay out too late coming from this area because the direction I need to go home, if I'm out too late, will be sitting in traffic. And that's the last thing I want to do is sit in traffic and waste my gas. So I'm just going to go head home, get whatever orders I can. All I need if I want to make at least 100 today is $37 and some change, and I'm good. So I'll check up with y'all after I pick up some orders. And I'll see y'all soon. So yesterday, I just want to update y'all about yesterday that I did not get any more deliveries. I did not do any more deliveries because there's nothing but trash. But anyway, I forgot to do the screenshot of the offer screen, but I was able to get on Roadie a medical delivery of someone's medication. Now, I'm not going to show you the medication because I don't want to put that person's information out, but it was a $120 delivery. It was about 3 hours, and if I get it there before 10 o'clock, I'll get a $10 bonus. It's about 9 o'clock. The delivery is about another 30 minutes away or so, and it'll be there before 10 o'clock. So that's actually an easy way to make money. Roadie. And if for any reason I had to return the medication, I would get paid for my time driving all the way back to where the pickup was. So that's one thing I like about Roadie, is that you get paid for the time that it takes for you to do the delivery. Because I remember I had one delivery on a previous video that I picked up someone's bird feed for their chickens, and it ended up being the wrong item. So I took it back to the store, got paid for that time. They ended up giving me the right item, and I got paid to re-deliver it. And all I had to do was talk to the support, and they got it all taken care of. So I got paid for my total time and gas, and I'm good. So let me go get a quick bite to eat, and I'm going to go finish this delivery, and I'll check it with y'all next video or live stream, because I'm gone to do this delivery like Mr. Vontae Davis. And I'll see y'all on next video or live stream. Peace.